Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the AFStar indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator provides us with buy and sell signals, where buy signals are in blue and sell signals are in orange. This indicator uses several moving average indicators and also some Williams percent range indicators in its internal calculations, which I will explain more in the inputs. Let's go over the settings of this indicator.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
Together. This indicator uses several fast-moving averages, several slow-moving averages, and also some Williams percent range indicators. For each of these, there are 3 parameters that we can specify here. For the fast-moving average, we can input a range of values. For example, here it is between 3 and 3.5. Based on this range that we input, it will test the moving averages with different periods within this range. The number we enter here is not necessarily the period. So, as you can see here, it can be 3.5. In fact, it is a factor used in calculating the period of the moving averages. And the more numbers we set and extend this range upwards, for example, here it is between 3 and 3.5, we can move it between 5 and 6. The more this happens, the higher period moving averages will be used, and consequently, we will have fewer signals. Here we have the start and end of the range for the fast moving average, and the start and end for the slow moving average, where we can specify its range, and the next option is the step change. That is, it increases between 3 and 3.5 with a step of 0.2, and the moving averages are calculated with these factors. Next, we have the settings for the Williams percent range indicator, where we also have the start and end factors for this indicator, as well as the step or increment that increases. Oh, and we can choose these values based on the symbol we are trading and the time frame in which we are trading to match them accordingly. Let's watch the live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. From the MT4 version of this indicator, you can also use it on the MetaTrader 4 platform. You can see that the settings are exactly the same as the MT5 version, with only one addition at the end, which is the number of candles that appear in the past chart and are used for calculations. Let's watch the live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.